Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll teach you how to take voice notes on Android. Taking voice notes on Android is a convenient way to capture thoughts, reminders, and important information without typing. Many Android devices, including built-in voice recorder, all other apps offer audio note taking features, which is a few taps you can record, save, and access voice notes whenever you need them. To begin, unlock your Android device and open your voice recording app or note taking app. Tap the microphone icon, then locate and tap the record button. Grant microphone permission if prompted. Hold the device at a comfortable distance from your mouth and speak clearly and begin recording your note. Mention a title or subject for easier identification later. Continue speaking the information you want to save. Pause the recording if you need a break and resume recording when you're ready to continue if there's an option. And tap the stop button when you finish. Review the recording by playing it back. Rename the voice note if the app allows it. And save the recording and access it whenever needed. Common apps for voice notes include Google Recorder, Samsung Voice Recorder, and Evernote. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.